क्या आप मांग कर रहे हैं that नितिन गडकरी should resign?
Yes, मैं मांग करता हूँ, बिल्कुल मैं मांग करता हूँ, गडकरी से रिजाइन करनी चाहिए.
Okay, Congress party wants Nitin Gadkari to resign. That's the breaking story here. Within 45 minutes of the press conference.
Congress party officials and as a member of parliament, as a Congress member of parliament, I don't know my party's official position.
Now why is he changing?
As a member of
Then
parliament,
Prithviraj Chauhan should also resign, Arnab.
Okay, no, Jitendra Awad, it's fair.
Gadkari has to resign.
1 minute. You have said a lot of things about the Congress NCP government. I am saying tonight the Congress NCP government must explain why it was giving this land away at such wonderful Rajdhani Express, or should I say bullet train speed, to Mr. Nitin Gadkari. That is a valid question. Jitendra Awad wants to respond here. Mr. Awad, you have a point to make to India Against Corruption. Go ahead.
See, first of all, let me answer to Kumar Biswas that it is not the arrogance. Now, Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Anna Hazare had a meeting in Pune near his Raleigh Siddhi, and there was an issue of 2 crore rupees. Did they answer the country about the whole issue and why Suresh Pathare? It was said that he. 1 minute. Now, don't stop me. Did they answer any question on the misappropriation of funds, which Mr. Kejriwal was questioned by Anna Hazare on 2 crore of rupees? The same Anjali Damania's husband is a part of a company called MK Global. Before 10 days or 12 days, there was a downfall of some 1 crore 70,000 crore rupees or something in the Bombay SEBI market, Bombay share market. A part was Damania's husband. Now the same Anjali Damania, who suddenly becomes a whistleblower, owned a land in a place which was near a dam. Now that dam happened to be at a X level when she purchased the dam. That dam later on in a year went to a level of X+1. She lost the land submerged into the backwaters, and then suddenly after realization that I had put in...
No, why are you putting counter allegations to Anjali Damania instead of answering what they
answer?
1
minute.
I will answer, Arnab.
1 minute, Arnab, let me speak.
Please come out.
Let me speak. Now I am telling a truth which the country should know, that the same Anjali Damania went to every minister, went to every contractor, and she said it on record that I spoke to the contractors, I went to the officers. What made her go to the contractors and the officers? See, in Maharashtra, in various dams, various villagers have lost their lands because the backwater takes away the land. Now, she, not being a farmer, has purchased land and she is facing an inquiry. The Tahsildar of the area, who is in charge of the revenue records, has asked her a legal question that how did you buy
So
land
what is
from
your point to
people
Kumar
when
Vishwas?
You are not a farmer.
No, what is your point? You are not answering my question.
Let me finish. Arnab, let me finish. Now the
Okay.
same Anjali Damania,
You are very angry, but it just...
because Arnab, are you hearing?
Yeah, I can hear you
Arnab,
clearly.
The same Anjali Damania makes the issue out of it. On a TV interview, she says that I am from a RSS family and I had a different expectation from Nitin Gadkari. Now here I come to a point. Anjali Damania, Kirit Somaiya belong to from a group of BJP which is anti-Gadkari, and now this is a stance taken by Kejriwal to snub Gadkari to help Modi in the national crisis.
Oh, so you are actually what you are.
And now
let me answer, Arnab. Let me answer to him, please.
No, is that an official charge or a personal charge? 1 minute. May I please? I want you on record tonight, Jitendra Awad. Are you saying this in your personal capacity, or are you saying this? Listen to me, sir. Are you saying this in your official capacity as the NCP leader? You are alleging that a section of the BJP is
quoting, and I have stated it time and again.
Arnab, let me answer him.
Fight between. Arnab, will you please complete? Allow me to complete, or should I stop here?
No, you complete it. I didn't interrupt you. Kumar Vishwas wants to come in and rebut you. Kumar Vishwas wants to rebut you, but I will let you complete. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, will you allow? Did I speak when Kumar Vishwas was talking?
No, you didn't. Yeah.
Was I speaking?
No, you didn't, sir. Continue.
So listen to me now. Now the same Anjali Damania on the TV said that I belong to a RSS family, my father is something in RSS, my brother is something in RSS, and I was expecting many things from Nitin Gadkari. Now that's for Nitin Gadkari to clear it, that's for the BJP to clear it. But I only want to say that the political parties should now come out themselves. When people attack X family, the political parties attack that X family. Now it's for Gadkari and BJP to come out and explain their position. Nobody is out here to defend Gadkari or defend BJP. The same BJP which was talking about Swachhata, Charitrya...
No, you are saying the anti-Gadkari camp, you are avoiding, no, you are saying the anti-Gadkari camp in the BJP is putting up Arvind Kejriwal, Kumar Vishwas and Anjali Damania to target Gadkari. Are you saying this as the NCP? Is that the official position of the NCP?
In the hands of certain people.
Let me answer him, Anna, please.
Now hear the response. Now hear the response. Hear the response. You have said it.
The picture becomes a whistleblower. What about MJ Global, where her husband is a partner and which duped the shareholder?
Let me answer, my friend.
Now let him respond to you. Now let Kumar Vishwas respond to you, and you will have to listen, Mr. Jitendra Awad now. Yes, please listen to him. Yes, Kumar Vishwas.
मिस्टर जितेंद्र, मैं आपके तीनों सवालों के सिलसिलेवार जवाब देता हूं। पहला जवाब कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने 2 करोड़ या 1 करोड़ समथिंग का हिसाब अन्ना हजारे को दिया था या नहीं दिया था। बिल्कुल दिया था, हम सबके कहने पर दिया था, वो वेबसाइट पर पड़ा हुआ है। अन्ना ने कभी मांगा नहीं था, लेकिन मराठी के कुछ अखबारों में कुछ मित्रों ने ऐसी खबर छपवाई थी कि फंड में कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि जो ठीक नहीं है, तो हमने तुरंत उस हिसाब को वहां रखा, वेबसाइट पर रखा, उसकी 3 महीने में एक बार ऑडिट कराई। हम आपको आमंत्रित करते हैं, आप आकर ऑडिट कराएं। एसआईटी बिठाइए, आप सरकार में साथी हैं, बोलिए सरकार से। पहला सवाल। दूसरा सवाल, अंजनी के पति किस प्राइवेट कंपनी में नौकरी करते हैं, उसके लिए वो पहले ही कह चुकी है कि उसके किसी क्रिया व्यापार में मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है। जो होता है उस कंपनी के साथ एक एम्प्लॉय के नाते वहां काम करते हैं, अपनी तनख्वाह लेते हैं, उस कंपनी से कोई मतलब नहीं। और तीसरी बात से मैं आपसे सहमत हूं, अंजलि की खुद की जमीन करजत बांध के पास थी, उसी की लड़ाई में उसके सामने पता चला, वरना वो तो पैथोलॉजी लैब चला रही थी, वो तो सामान्य हाउसवाइफ थी। इस देश में भ्रष्टाचार से लड़ने की ताकत उन्हीं लोगों में आई है जो भ्रष्टाचार से हुए आमना सामना हुआ। अंजलि लगातार जगह जगह गई, अधिकारियों के पास गई, नेताओं के पास गई, और उसने पूछा कि अगर उनके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है तो मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है। अगर नितिन गडकरी को दी जा सकती है तो मुझे क्यों नहीं दिया जा रही है, और अगर मेरी कैंसिल की जाती है तो उनकी क्यों नहीं कैंसिल की जा रही है। और यही सवाल उठने चाहिए। और तीसरी बात, जब कभी हम किसी एक पर आवाज उठाते हैं, दूसरी बात आती है कि भूषण का पालनपुर में मकान कैसे है, कुमार विश्वास कॉलेज क्यों नहीं जाते हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने पैसे कैसे लिए। टाइम्स नाउ पर हम 1000 बार कह चुके हैं, मैं अर्नब जी आपसे फिर कहता हूं, आप इनसे डिमांड कीजिए ये एक एसआईटी बनवाएं, हम सबके केस भी, अजीत पवार भी, रॉबर्ट वाड्रा भी उसी एसआईटी को दे दें, और हम दुगनी सजा लेने के तैयार हैं। जब हम ये बोल्डली बोलते हैं तो आप बोल्डली बोलने को
जरूर 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 जरूर। अब मैं अलग अलग तरह के रिस्पॉन्सेस हमारे पास इस वक्त आ रहे हैं। मिनाज मर्चेंट, what would you say here? You know, you're seeing the direct attack that is being made there on Anjali Damania, etc. Would you like to say something there?
Yeah, no, I think that's completely uncalled for, because as Kumar said quite rightly, he's only an employee of a stockbroking company. He had nothing to do with that particular share price crash. So I think we're diverting our attention. But I'd like to address a message to Kumar of India Against Corruption and the politicians on the panel. You know, I think Kumar, first of all, aapki badai, you've done a terrific job. I think the whole country, Kumar, is with you, and congratulations for the wonderful fight that you've done for corruption. We all, you know, aapki badai kar rahe hain. Lekin, you know, you should, one thing is that aapka focus khona nahi chahiye. We've got so many scams that have been unveiled in the past 2 years. Including the latest Vadra, Virbhadra, and you know, in the beginning the 2G case. We've got to keep your focus on corruption and not be a hit and run kind of operation. जो आपको क्या करना चाहिए is एक separate team follow-up के लिए आपको रखना चाहिए and institutionalize your anti-corruption mechanism.
That's a good suggestion coming in from Minhaj Merchant. I'm afraid I have to take a small break at this point.
Thanks for it.
I'm taking a small break, but Jitendra Awad said that this is a plot of a section of the BJP and the Congress. I am told Sushma Swaraj, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Arun Jaitley, the entire BJP leadership will today deliberately come out and show their solidarity with Nitin Gadkari.
This is a relieved man.
Gadkari could be a relieved man today. I don't know. Madhu Gaur,
relatively.
Don't go away. This story is not over yet. this debate continues. Navika wants to make a quick point.
Question to Madhu Gaur really would be, he's demanded Gadkari's resignation. The question is, some people might ask, in the exposes before this that India Against Corruption has done, why doesn't Mr. Madhu Gaur actually say that some people in that also must resign just as Gadkari should? And that's a question probably the BJP could ask the Congress today. Vadra revelation, Salman Khurshid, should both of them resign as well as Gadkari, if that's the balance that we're talking about?
Why a double standard from the BJP? BJP keep asking for Salman's resignation and other people.
No.
Why they deserve do it
No,
first?
my question to you, Madhu Gaur, is to follow up.